Festa got a parcel, Festa got a parcel, thank you, Neil.
Shut up and sit down.
I've had a parcel arrive, people, from my good friend Neil Harris down at Nihas Models, and he's cheekily put PTO on the parcel. With love, from brother Phil. Little joke within the Smooth Cave, me and him are commonly referred to as the Mitchell brothers. Okay, so I've sliced it open. Some pipettes. See, he knows me well. Nice little buffing stick from our friends at Flory Models. Looks like a huge bag of sanding sticks there. All kinds of beautiful sanding sticks. You've got some Florys, you've got some UMP sanding sticks there. Nice big hearty bag. What else have we got? Oh, we got a model there of a traitor Barsford, yeah, chief of the Ian Fanatics. So it's a nice little figurine for me to have a play with. So I look forward to doing that. I want some detail work on that. Probably do that with oils, to be honest with you. So just put that there. Oh, something else tucked down the bottom here, all wrapped up. What have we got in here? Super Expert plastic glue and some MIG slow dry CA glue. Blimey, Neil. Got some pads as well. Look at that. And we've got some airbrushes. My God. Oh wow. I don't know what to say. He sent me a Neo for Iwata TN2 trigger brush because he knows I suffer with gnarly grippy hands, so yeah, they have their moments. Wow. And that looks like a Mr. Hobby brush as well. It is. My God, that is unbelievable. I am so happy. I don't know what to say. Neil, you are a superstar. Yeah, not often you hear Festa speechless, mate. Thank you so very much. I will guard them with my life. Actually, I shall use them for the Herald live build that we're doing on the Smooth Cave. Oh, nice plug. So you'll get to meet myself, Neil, and the rest of the crew there, the Smooth, White Mountain, Dave Where's the Rum Gone Barker, Scott Paul and Reese aka Beaker. Tune in tonight. Thank you, Neil. Bye bye.